Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the road when suddenly your transmission stops responding. The car shifts roughly, or worse, it won't shift at all. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and it shows code P0886, transmission relay control circuit high. This means the transmission control relay is sending excessive voltage to the TCM, which can cause shifting issues or even put the car into limp mode. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you where the key components and sensors are located, the common causes, and how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0886? DTC P0886 indicates that the transmission control relay, TCM relay, is supplying too much voltage to the transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM receives incorrect voltage, it can't properly control the transmission solenoids, leading to shifting problems or transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0886. If your car has this code, you may notice harsh or erratic shifting, transmission stuck in limp mode, delayed gear engagement, check engine light on, transmission warning light on, sensor and component location, very important, transmission control relay, TCM relay. Location, found in the fuse box under the hood, usually near the battery. In some cars it's inside the dashboard fuse panel. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically located in the engine bay, near the battery or fuse box. Some models have it inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan. Wiring and power circuits. Location, runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Check for damaged wires, short circuits, or corroded connectors near the relay and TCM. Refer to your car's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0886? Here are the most common causes: faulty transmission control relay stuck in the on position sending too much voltage. Short circuit in relay wiring causing excessive voltage to the TCM. Damaged or corroded relay connections, faulty transmission control module, TCM. ECU malfunction affecting relay control. How to fix P0886. Step 1. Check the transmission relay. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the wiring harness. Look for short circuits, frayed wires, or corroded connections. Step 3. Test voltage at the relay. It should match the manufacturer's specifications. Step 4. Check the TCM connector. Clean any corrosion and secure the connection. Step 5. Replace the relay fuse if necessary. Step 6. Reset the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive. Final words: if P0886 isn't fixed, your transmission may experience serious shifting issues or even stop working completely. Always check the relay, wiring, and TCM to prevent further damage. For more OBD-II error codes and fixes, watch these videos next. P0638, throttle actuator control range performance. P0639, throttle actuator control range performance. Bank 2. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.